Hi everyone. So today I was going to retell the story of Brown Bear using our animals on popsicle sticks or craft sticks. If you picked up your kit, this was in the first kit that went home. So you can grab yours. It has all the different animals on it on sticks. So you can follow along with me, okay? So it goes, Brown Bear, what do you see? What do you think the brown bear saw? He saw a red bird. Yeah, red bird. What do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. See, the duck is all turned its head to look at the bird. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Oh, look, they're looking at each other. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher, like me, looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. I see you. I'm so excited that you could join me for Brown Bear. And you can have fun with these same animal sticks at home. You can mix up your sticks and then pull one out. What's that? It's a white dog. What sound do you think the white dog makes? Yeah. So you can try pulling out ones and making different animal sounds, or you can mix them up and what's that? Yeah, it's a green frog. You can go find something in your house that's green, like the green frog. Isn't that fun and exciting? So there's different ways you can use your animal sticks at home. And I will see you again next time. All right, bye.